Welcome back to Physics Exam Prep. In this lesson, we are working through an easier energy question from past paper. It's about energy conversion and power. If you have already learned about power at school, treat this as a quick skill check. As you read the question, keep this in mind. What's the energy conversion happening here? Alright, the key energy conversion is from the fuel burned by the engine to the car's gain in gravitational potential energy. And let's pull out the key information. The question tells us the car's engine delivers power at 6,000 watts. Remember, a watt is just a joule per second, so that's 6,000 joules every second. We're also told that the car climbs for 20 minutes. That's the operating time of the engine. Now let's move on to the gravitational potential energy of the car. The question asks for the increase in height of the car. From the formula sheet, ΔGPE equals to mgΔh, which means change in gravitational potential energy equals to mass times g, the constant, times the change in height. Let's lay out the plan. Apply conservation of energy. The energy output of the car engine equals to the gain in gravitational potential energy. The energy output of the engine is given by power times time. The gain in GPE is mgΔh. Equating these will allow us to find delta H. Quick reminder, in the equation mgΔh, you must use the change in height, not the absolute height. The absolute height only comes in with this formula, which belongs to the gravitational field chapter later on. Here's a step-by-step solution. Step 1. Apply energy conservation. Energy flows from the car engine into gravitational potential energy of the car. Step 2. Set up the equation and plug in numbers, and we get increase in height equals to 600 meters. Let's wrap up for the lesson. Power is energy transferred per second. Its unit is joule per second. Later, people renamed it the watt, after James Watt, the engineer who improved steam engines. He earned the honor, but honestly for students, joule per second feels a lot more straightforward. Just remember, watt and a joule per second are the same thing. Second, the equation for power is energy equals to power times time. The unit for time is in seconds. Third, for the calculation of change in GPE, only plug in change in height into the equation. Never use the absolute height. If you tried it another way and still reached the same answer, let me know in the comments. And if any step felt unclear, drop your question below. Your feedback will make these videos better for everyone.